If your Chrome scroll bar suddenly disappears in Windows, don't worry. This is usually a settings issue and can be fixed in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll show you 3 simple methods to bring the scroll bar back in Google Chrome. And if one fix doesn't work, you can quickly move on to the next. This is especially helpful if the scroll bar is hidden, hard to see, or only appears when you hover. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let's get started. The first thing to check is a Windows setting called Automatically Hide Scrollbars. On Windows 10, this feature can make scrollbars disappear in apps when you're not actively using them. To turn it off, press the Windows key and I together to open Settings. From there, click Ease of Access, then select Display from the left sidebar. Now scroll down until you see the section called Simplify and Personalize Windows. Look for the option that says Automatically Hide Scrollbars in Windows and switch it off. As soon as you disable that setting, go back to Chrome and check whether the scroll bar is visible again. If the scroll bar is still missing, the next fix is to disable Chrome's overlay scroll bar flag. This is an experimental Chrome feature that can change how scroll bars look and behave. To do this, open a new tab in Google Chrome and type chrome://flags into the address bar, then press Enter. In the search bar at the top of the flags page, type Overlay Scrollbars. When you see the Overlay Scrollbars option, click the drop-down menu and change it from Default or Enabled to Disabled. After that, click the Relaunch button in the bottom right corner to restart Chrome. Once Chrome opens again, test the page and see if the scroll bar is back. Now, if neither of those methods works, the issue may be caused by an extension or a bad browser state. A quick way to test that is by using Incognito mode. Click the 3-dot menu in the top right corner of Chrome and choose New Incognito window. Open the same page where the scroll bar was missing and see if it appears normally. If it does, that usually means one of your extensions is causing the problem. To find it, go back to your regular Chrome window, click the 3-dot menu again, hover over Extensions, and then click Manage Extensions. From there, start turning off your extensions one by one. After disabling each extension, refresh Chrome and check the scroll bar again until you find the one that was causing the issue. Once you find the extension, you can keep it disabled, remove it entirely, or replace it with a better version. This step is important because some extensions can interfere with page layout, scrolling behavior, or Chrome interface elements like the scroll bar. If the issue was caused by a corrupted extension or temporary browser glitch, this method usually solves it. So to recap, if your Chrome scroll bar disappears in Windows, first turn off Automatically Hide Scrollbars in Windows, then disable the Overlay Scrollbars flag in Chrome, and finally test Incognito mode to check for extension problems. These 3 fixes solve most scroll bar issues without needing to reinstall Chrome or reset your computer. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy Windows and Chrome troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.